Hi, good day. Today is the 17th of July 2009, and here we are with the Forexserve weekly update. We've seen last week a spike in risk appetite in the markets, and with that, the dollar was sold, and you've also found that the treasuries were also sold. As a result, the US interest rates moved up appreciably. The dollar, of course, was being bought prior to this because there was a sense of risk aversion in the markets, and as a currency of last resort, the investors were scrambling to the dollar. But that has changed somewhat, and we've seen riskier trades being put in place. Now the question is whether going forward this is going to be the trend or whether the trend is going to reverse. Our take is that the dollar could strengthen into the weeks ahead, and that is what our stance has been in the last few months, in fact. But we've seen the dollar basically hemmed in within a very tight range. In the euro, if you were to take the case of the euro, it is stuck between, let's say, 130 and 140. The last, maybe 135 really, 135 to 140 for the last few months, in fact. The pound has also been stuck under 165, 166 for some time. And the yen also was in demand because of risk aversion. But I think while the results of the US companies are proving to be better than expected, which is kind of a shot in the arm for the mood at this point of time. But one thing that one has to remember is the results are good, as some point out, basically because the companies that have shown the good results have been on the basis of them putting in trades which were done with almost free money. So the market is not looking at that point right now, but when they do, the equation could be different, as we see now. So overall, we feel that the dollar could strengthen in time to come because risk, I think, hasn't really moved away from the background, and it could reappear at any point of time. Having said that, if we see a clear break in the euro, let's say, for 142, 30, 40, we would be obliged to look at it differently. But till that happens, we would go with the thinking that at some point the dollar could start strengthening across the board, in fact. In India, the equation has been somewhat similar to what we have seen in the global markets. The rupee has strengthened and weakened, and the ebb and flow has been in consonance with the global markets. And at this point of time, there is some dollar demand, as we see, and it might last into the end of the month. So in the short term, at least, we do expect some weakness. Thank you.